Today's HR services have been created for HR, not employees. And that worked for a while. But now there's a system for every service, an HR head for every process, and helpful information lost in your intranet. Employees want simplicity, not complexity. They want consumer-grade technology experiences all the time. And HR deserves the right infrastructure to make it happen. Change is here, and it's easier than you think. Applaud is the workforce experience layer that makes digital HR simple. Designed to work with your current HR services and reignite your existing HR technology, not replace it. Imagine all your employee and manager services in one place. Imagine workflows and approvals that automate across departments and systems. Imagine fast innovation without needing IT or developers. This is a powerful no-code platform that means you can create exceptional consumer-grade technology experiences. Use best practice templates to deliver employee-first HR services for every moment, from onboarding to milestone anniversaries and career-shaping promotions. Provide your people with relevant, personalized knowledge exactly when they need it, reducing HR cases and improving adoption rates. And leave complexity behind the layer, making processes smooth and HR services so easy to use, your employees won't have to use them, they'll want to. Make digital HR simple. Applaud, the workforce experience layer.